Hello guys, you're doing very fantastic. I'm very impressed with you guys. You have done two basics concepts. Now this is a little bit tough one. So let's focus on this. So this time we are going to print highest from three different natural numbers. Three different natural numbers, I mean to say, suppose there are three different natural number in three buckets. Say this is 10, this is 15, there is 18. So which one should get printed? 18. Suppose user has given like this. Which one should get printed? This one. So we want to create a program whereby we want to print highest from three different natural number. As usual, we'll start with start button. Okay, by now everyone has understood at least the start button. Okay, perfect. Now second, we want to give input, right? B means user will give you input. So let's allow user to give input. So it could be A, B or C. Three variables, three buckets. He will give value. I don't know in which bucket what will be a value. So after the user has given the value, we will first evaluate two variables only, because we want this box should give you either yes or no. Some people do this mistake, which is incorrect. Boss, you cannot do something like this, because this cannot give you the value yes or no, because confusion, there is a confusion. A is greater than B. Suppose B is not greater than C, then yeah, little bit confusion. Don't go for this one. Only two variables at a time can be compared. So say for example the answer either comes yes or answer comes no. Okay, I compared A with C, you compared A with B. That's better in sequence. So let me write A with B. So A is greater than B. If answer is yes, that means A is greater. But if answer comes no, then B is greater. After that, we should again compare who was highest. We'll take up that one. A is greater than B, that means A is highest. So we'll take up A compared with C. Suppose the answer comes yes again, then obviously who is highest? H will be A is highest. So we will directly print the H. But if answer comes no, then understand this area very carefully. The answer will be C. So why you don't want to compare with B? Already A is greater than B. That means C is greater than A. So obviously C will be greater than B. So you don't need to compare it. That is understood. But we have to compare another one here. Suppose the answer is no, that means B is greater. So we have to compare B with C. But if the answer comes no, this will be answer, right? But if answer comes yes, that means who is greater? Then by default, highest will be B. So this is very simple. Just look at this very carefully. You will understand what equation I am trying to frame out here. Okay? So if the program comes like A is greater than B, answer is no, that means B is greater. Then again I'll compare B with C. If again answer is yes, that means B is the highest. But if answer comes no, then highest will be C. So I have smartly put H is equal to C here, so that in both the cases it will directly come this side. Okay? So now H can come either of the root. There are three roots. It can come one way. So I have to take this down. Okay, we can see here it can come either of the way. Suppose the program can either go, look at this color, so you will understand what I am trying to say here, either way. That means program either can start from here and go like this, or it can come directly straight here. So let me not draw this, because this looks little weird, right? So let's take it up ahead. So you just try to understand. Now what I will do, I have to print. So let me have a print command. You remember that print command need not be very good one. You can have a normal print command also. So sir, do we need to write this print? Yes, we need to write. Process box you don't need to write, decision box you don't need to, but here yes. Print H. Then we want to give user another chance. So you will ask more. If user says yes, there is something called as connector. See this A, I will connect this A out here this way. So automatically this means this program will directly go up. If answer is no, suppose if I don't want no, okay, no problem, stop the button. Look at this diagram, you will understand. Do it by yourself, you will better understand. So by looking at the question only, you try once more time and let me know your comments whether you understood or not if you want, and the next video will be taking it little highest one. Okay, thank you very much.